In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WooCommerce from WordPress. If you no longer need WooCommerce on your site, the removal process is straightforward, but it's important to do it in the correct order so everything works smoothly. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click inside your WordPress dashboard. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website settings, themes, plugins, and content. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the dashboard home screen so you can easily access the left-hand menu. Next, go to Plugins and then select Installed Plugins. This page shows all the plugins currently added to your WordPress site, including active and inactive ones. Since WooCommerce is a plugin, this is where you'll find the controls needed to remove it. Once you're on the Installed Plugins page, locate WooCommerce in the list. If you have a lot of plugins installed, take a moment to scan carefully so you select the correct one. You want to make sure you're removing WooCommerce specifically and not one of its related extensions or another plugin with a similar name. After you find WooCommerce, click Deactivate. WordPress requires active plugins to be turned off before they can be deleted, so this step is necessary. Deactivating the plugin disables its functionality on your site, but it does not remove it yet. Depending on your setup, the page may refresh after you click this, and you should then see new options appear for that plugin. Now click Delete and then confirm the prompt when WordPress asks you to verify the action. This final step removes the WooCommerce plugin from your WordPress installation. Be sure to read the confirmation prompt before proceeding, especially if your site has used WooCommerce for products, orders, or store settings in the past. And that's it. Once you confirm the deletion, WooCommerce will be removed from your site. If you're cleaning up your website, it can also be helpful to review any WooCommerce related extensions afterward to decide whether those should remain installed as well. Taking a moment to double check your plugins list after deletion is a good way to confirm everything was completed successfully. Thanks for watching, and that's how to delete WooCommerce from WordPress.